In this episode, we will be learning how to clear search history on AOL mail application using your iPhone. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Start off by tapping open the AOL mail application on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your account if necessary. Now, go to the top right hand corner from the main home page and click on the search button. From the inbox page of AOL Mail, tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now, you will be able to see all of the searches that you've made. Click on the edit button right next to recent searches and tap on the little cross icon to delete a search individually. If you want to clear out all of the search history, click on clear all at the top left, and this will be able to delete your search history for AOL Mail. You can now get back and exit the search, and that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.